Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Warrington at Mackey's, and the reason we're here is that they've stopped doing the big arches and they've replaced it with the Philly Cheesesteak. I've never had one, but I'm really annoyed that they got rid of the big arches. So we're going to go in, try the Philly Cheesesteak and see just how sad I should be that they got rid of the arches. We're sat in the car, by the way, because it's blowing a storm outside. I think it's storm, maybe. So yeah, absolutely depressing. Monday morning, raining, windy, stormy weather. I need a Mackey's to cheer me up. Right, I'll see you in there. Right, we're in. So the medium Philly Cheesesteak meal costs £8.69 normally, but because we're on a Monday, we get the 15% off, so it's actually costing me £7.39. Have you noticed it's jacket weather, by the way? I think this is the first time I've actually worn a jacket on a video. It's bloody cold today. Open your eyes, embrace what you see now. Don't you feel like cutting loose? Yeah, cutting loose, cutting loose. I'm alive. So it looks very cheesy. So it looks like there's bread, some onions on there. Here is a gherkin, like crispy onions here. 2 burgers and cheese underneath. So my first concern is that I'm not seeing anything but cheese on there. I'm not seeing any kind of tomato, any kind of tangy sauce. It may be wrong, it may be lovely. First impressions is not making me think I want to dive into that. So I've got medium chips, I've got flat white as well. So let's have a look at this burger, because that's what we're here for. That cheese is half off, isn't it? Right, let's just go for it. Let's give it a bite. It just tastes of plastic cheese. I mean, the size looks alright, doesn't it? It is literally just cheese. Yeah, I'm not feeling this. Also, look, serviettes. I'm sure I've got cheese all around my mouth. A bit disappointed so far. Let's keep going. So I did get a tang of something then for a fleeting second. Then it was gone. It may be in the gherkin, actually. I just don't know why they would get rid of the big arches and put this on the menu instead. I mean, it's cheaper than the big arches, so it's obviously a lot smaller. We're going through this in no time. Just dropping burger in my coffee. Yeah, it's not great. So the overwhelming flavour was just plastic cheese. The big arches was far superior. Right, let's try the chips. We know what we're getting with the chips, but sometimes they're oversalted, sometimes they're not salted enough. They are salted quite well, actually. Not too much. Perfect. This place in Warrington always seems to do the best chips. So one of the best things to do at the moment is the flat white coffee. I can't get enough of it. It's lovely. Right, because McDonald's are doing Monopoly at the moment, we've got some chances to win, so let's have a quick look at this. I think we've got 3 chances to win here. 3 single McMuffin. That's not bad, is it? 3 McFlurry. I'm swooping up here. Nothing on that one. Good, that is. Right, I'm going to finish up here, then I'll give you my final thoughts outside, back in the car, because, you know, it's still blowing a storm out there. See you shortly. I'm alive. So what the hell was that? That was awful. Just cheap plastic cheese plastered all over a burger. Who's buying that? Well, they did try to do it outside, but we'll take this inside. Bloody hell, it's a bit rubbish out there. So just to continue my thoughts, who the hell's buying that? It's just 2 burgers. They look like shalloty type onions on top and some crunchy onions, and just layered in cheap plastic cheese. That is not good. Mackey's, what are you playing at? And the fact that you got rid of the big arches to replace it with that nonsense is just insult to injury. Really gutted about that. I was hoping we might have a new replacement that was decent. So, wholeheartedly, I cannot recommend the Philly Cheesesteak. Definitely not. Just not for me. The flat white was lovely, as always. Highly recommend that at the moment. It's good value as well. And the chips were perfect, but the burger itself was pants. So maybe I'm talking nonsense. Maybe you had the Philly Cheesesteak all the time and you think it's amazing. Comment below and let me know, but I can't get on with that. It's just too much of one thing. There's no varying the flavours. It's just like, here's cheese, that's all you're gonna get.
Just cheese.
Yeah, definitely not recommending that. Right, I'm gonna go. If you're new to the channel and you've not seen me before, this was a quick one. We normally probably do a bit longer in terms of videos, but there wasn't much to say. There wasn't much to film, to be honest with you. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't buy that. No need. Don't buy it. Take it easy. Bye.